Okay. Hi guys, welcome back for the new and helpful session on resume building. Today in this session, we're gonna teach you how to build resume, what is a resume, and what are the measures we need to take while building the resume, what are the sections we need to add, and types of resumes, and a lot more. We'll share you the tools and resources and a lot more. I'm Durgesh Vaigandla, the host, and today I'm with my co-host Rohith Jabbireddy. Um, I'm expertise in mentoring, and I'm working as an internet web daddy. And I'm the MLSC lead at Siddharth Institutions. I also worked as a project admin in GSOC. I do open source contributions. I'm working as a freelancer, and I'm good at public speaking and a technophile. So today in this session, my co-host will be teach you about all doing how good at resume, to have a great session.
So, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today. And my name is Rohith Jabbireddy. I'm expertise in mentoring. Am I audible to you guys? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Uh, when it comes to me, is my screen visible to you? You can ping me in the chat. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, when it comes to about me, I'm expertise in mentoring the students, whoever is studying, some of the graduates. And when it comes to basic of HR operations, I'm doing it from past 1 year. I handle some of the basic HR operations, consulting with HRs who are working in MNCs. And also, I'm former president of CSC Association at the head of District. I have handled so many events. I have conducted 20 of the events. And I have gone through some of the nationwide technical symposium events. I have gone to Bangalore, Chennai, and also a few of the colleges from Tirupati. I got some amazing flags and prizes from there. And currently, I'm the public relations and communications lead in Microsoft Student Chapter. Yeah. Also, I have gone through some of the tech events that have conducted and meetups conducted in and around the Bangalore, in and around Hyderabad and Chennai. And also tech enthusiastic, I'm very much interested about the AI. And also, I'm currently working on developing and also I'm a graphic designer. Some AI basic tools, researching AI basic tools, and all. Yeah. Uh, Let me come to the main topic of our today's session. What's today's session? Today's session is about resume building. How many of you know about resume? You can ping me in the chat. Please, some symbols. I need a response from you guys so that I can explain more about it. Yeah, thank you. When it comes to resume is a ticket for your job. Like, how are you waiting for Devara movie? You are waiting for your tickets. Like the same, many job seekers are waiting for the jobs through the resume. Like resume is your ticket for your job. You are spending so much of time and money to get the ticket for a movie. Like the same way you are spending 4 years of BTech for getting a resume. So when it comes to resume, we have to present so many of the things, our skills, and also the presentations, conferences, seminars, our educational background. What are there are several sections in it. So I will tell you all about the sections that what we have to include in the resume in our session. Ah, and then why do you need a resume? Without resume, you can't even go to an MLC corporate company. Only with a resume, you can go through a company for an selection process. Without resume, you can't go through any of the MNC, any of the corporate company. If you go through any of the MNC or corporate company without resume, that may be a fake one. It may be some of like I can explain that. And when it comes to types of resumes, usually we have four types of resumes. First one is combination resume. Second one is chronological, functional, and target. Uh, if I get to explain these things, the time will be more, and I will say you about what will be the resume template that we are using for pressure. Basically, for pressures, we use the chronological resume. Like we will present the order in a reverse chronological order. I will say about the section. Let me say, how many of you people know about ATS? I need a response from you guys. Anyone ping me in the chat. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Some technical problem. Hey, is my voice audible to you? Yeah, yeah, right. I'm happy that few of you know about ATS. Uh, let me know. Let me share you about ATS. How you can build your ATS resume. Yeah, as we have said, ATS is an applicant tracking system. Like, if you are going through any MNC, if you are going to apply for an MNC or a corporate company through online, you have to submit your ATS so that you have to submit your ATS resume so that ATS applicant tracking system. It is a software system. Like if you submit your resume, it will screen it. Like it will scan the whole resume, and if the keywords and the sections, if all are okay, then it will take the resume to the HR. If not, even though if you are qualified for the job, but your resume is not in a order, if it is not a tailored resume, it will not screen you, it will not allow to go to the HR. Only ATS have the power to allow your resume to go to the HR. So when you are preparing any resume, it should be ATS friendly. And why ATS? Why ATS means like uh, nowadays we are seeing various type of competitions in when we are going through any jobs. Like if any one of the company is providing one job, more than 10,000 applicants are being applied for the job. Then for one job, 10,000 applications, how the HR can see. So that's why if they have a system like ATS, they can handle the resumes very easily. So that's why ATS is founded. And like the way, if the ATS resume are good and well, it will go to the HR. Like the way, if 10,000 applicants are sending their resumes to the HRs, it will screen and shortlist the resumes, whatever the resumes are friendly with the ATS. Like your skills should match, your keywords should match, your contact information should match, and the over qualifications should match. Everything should match with the ATS. There are many things that you should not do with the ATS and you should do with the ATS. Let me explain about the sections of resume. How many of you people have resumes? I will not ask you to show your resume, but I know I want to know how many of you have the resumes. Yeah, two members. Yeah, that's okay. Uh, Today we will build the resume. When it comes to the sections of resume, at first we have to give our contact information. You have to provide your name, your mobile number, your mail. So then the contact information will be done. And when it comes to the next section, objective. Objectives mean a summary of yourself. Like you have to tell in a 3 or 4 lines that what is your aim, like you have to say about yourself. What will be you doing when you go to that company or MNC, that you have to provide in that objective. And academic details. Academic details, as you all know, that we have to put it in a reverse chronological order. Like first, the BTech will be coming, and then the intermediate or diploma, whatever you have studied, that will be coming, And after that, in the niche section, SSC 10th will be coming. Yeah, like that, we have to provide the academic details, and then the main part, skill sets. Many of the people, without having any skills, they will put the skills as I have seen one of the resume in recent days when it comes one of the HR in MNC in big MNC sent to me like it was hilarious to explain. He put that like I know some of the skills such as Python and Java, such as he wrote it like such as Java and Python. No one is going to admit that resume. You should not put like such as or how about I know I know various like these are not the words that you have to use when you are putting any skill sets. When you are putting your skill sets, you have to be pinpoint on those skill sets. Like if you are if you are expertise in Python or if you are expertise in Java, you have to put I am well and good in Java, or I am well and good in Python, or some of the like I'm expertise in Python, I'm expertise in Java. If you know DSA, you can also put I'm expertise in Java using DSA. I'm expertise in Python using different libraries. Likewise, you can use that. Uh, when it comes to the skill sets, you have to provide your hardware skills and also the software skills. And those who are from the uh, core branches, I can tell you that you can provide your hardware skills also. There, you can provide your skills about the embedded systems or machineries related. You can provide that skills. And when it comes to the software people, you should provide one of the language, trending technology language, and also one of the database and the tools, like whatever the tools are like GitHub, the tools you have to provide, VS Code, and some of the like testing tools will be there, like Selenium, Jira. Some of these type of tools will be there. You have to provide the sufficient information according to the job description. Here, job description plays a major role. You should have to frame your resume as per the job description. Without having any idea about the job description, don't submit your resume. Go to the Copilot. Yeah, I will, sh- I will show you how it will be. Wait, yeah, you will see one of the latest job. Yeah, here you have seen this job description. I will show you. Here I have provided the job description. Now I will ask the Copilot. Hey, Copilot, give me the keywords for this job description and also the job required skills. Now we will see what will it be. Yeah, I think you all have seen this. Actually, this job description is about the experienced candidate for over the past 10 years. So these many of the keywords are given here. Like that, if you are going through any company, or if you are going through any some of the like placements, campus placements, if you go through the job description, they will have some description about the people who they want to hire. So you can paste the job description using Copilot or ChatGPT, whatever the AI. They use the AI for many sources. Whatever the thing, you can paste it in the AIs and you can have the keywords and job description. And when it comes to certifications, I think many of the people have not focused on your certifications. Certifications are the main things that every HR will see, every company will see. But with your certifications, you have to have your relevant skills. Without having your relevant skills, those certifications are all fake. Those certifications are not considered anyway. So likewise, if you are doing any certification, learn something from that certification. Learn something that is relevant to the certification. Likewise, if I say example, uh, if you are learning, if you are doing any certification regarding Python, you have to learn about the Python. You have to learn thoroughly about the Python and you have to put it the certification in your resume so that you have the certification relevant to your skills. So that do the certifications which are good and well with your relevant skills. And this skill set also comes like soft skills also comes under skill sets. When you have the communication, English, or like leadership qualities, you can put over there. Uh, these things and certifications you all get, you can get from big MNCs like free certifications you get from Microsoft, Google, PwC, IBM, Accenture, and TCS. Many various MNCs are providing your free certifications. You can go through the Google and search there like free certifications for Python, free certifications for Power BI, free certifications for MongoDB, free for certifications for MySQL. Many of the companies are giving. Even Microsoft is providing various types of free certifications. You can go through that. You can learn many of the things, and you can put it on the certificate resume so that it will help to at, attract the HRs, attract the TRs, whoever is working in many big MNCs. And when it comes to the major part, project. Projects are the thing that you have to put very mandatory. Without having a project, your resume will not be screened. Your resume will not be shortlisted. At least one project is required to be shortlisted. So when you go to apply an MNC or startup company, whatever it may be, have one project in your resume, whatever it may be. Actually, uh, people from various colleges, they do projects from two to onwards. But many of the students who are attended here are from Siddharth institutions. They haven't yet done any projects, even though they are in 4 1 or 4. I'm not criticizing any college here, but students, it's our job to do projects, our job to do certifications. No one is going to tell us. So focus on the project. At least one project is required to put it on the resume, and you have to put it on the resume. So then only HR will shortlist your resume. And then the next section is about internships. Internships, like the internships, what you are doing by paying 1500, 2000, 500, 200, those are not the real internships. If you uh, go through internship real description, the internship is about they will hire a student to work with them who are working in the company. They will provide you the stipend. You are not going to provide the money for them. You are not going to pay the money for them. They will pay for you. They will pay for your work. So that's called an real internship. But many of them companies, many of the local IT companies are providing internships by taking monies just for giving 2 or 3 dummy tasks, and they will end your internship and they will give you an internship certificate. Those are not like a really valuable thing. Try to do internships from an organization which will pay to you, like they have to pay you the stipend, or you can do also free internships. Some of the free internships are available. You can go through Google, uh, or you can go through the LinkedIn that will catch you so many of the internships, jobs, whatever it may be, that will give you. So go through the LinkedIn, search internship. Recent internships will be shown to you. You can apply through that. It is also having job description. You can apply from that internship LinkedIn. And then extracurricular activities. Extracurricular activities means like if you are an leader, if you are some of the uh, just a minute, guys. You can take a screenshot if you want. Is it okay now? I think my screen was visible to you. Oh, you haven't told to me. You should have informed me. I have done some of the research in Microsoft Copilot AI. I think you haven't seen that. I thought my screen was visible to you. So if you want again to do, I will do it now. So those who want, you can raise your hands. Yeah, your screen is not fixed. It's okay now. As I have said about the job description, I am searching about the latest jobs that are available right now. 2 seconds. Is my screen visible to you? Some technical issue. Sorry for the delay. You can ping me whether my screen is visible to you or not. Yeah, okay. Yeah, from the LinkedIn, I got this job description. I will drag this, I will copy, and I will put it in the Copilot. Now I will ask the Copilot, hey Copilot, give me the keywords required for this role and the skills required to achieve this job. Your prompt should be neat and clean. Then only the AI will give a good feedback or good result. Like you have seen here, when you give this job description, it will show you the keywords, whatever the keywords that we have to include in our resumes and the required skills that we have to put in our resumes. So when you are going to apply for an MNC, go through the job description and go through the keywords or skills that you have to maintain to attain or to achieve that job. And then awards and achievements. Awards are like when you go to some competitions, whether it may be an intra college or inter college, whatever may be. Intra college means in the college, inter college means no. Fresher got experience when you go through fresher. But if you want experience as a fresher, you have to do some internships. Like you have to do some real-time work, hands-on work in some MNCs or some startups. They will give some stipend also. You can also work for free. That will gain you a experience. I will explain that in the question and answer session. Question and answer session is there. No problem about that. And let me explain about these things. And then awards and achievements are like if you have gone to any symposiums or any competitions or any uh, like in the college or outside of the college competitions, hackathons, uh, those awards and achievements you can put on this. And the next part is about presentations, conferences, and seminars. Like if you are A person who is about to speak, who is able to speak about anything, you can go to seminars, conferences, and presentations. You have to go out of your college. You have to go out of your secure zone. Then only you can gain the confidence and the ability to get a job out there. So try to give the presentations. You can put the presentations to only two or three presentations are enough. Whatever it may be, presentations, conferences, or seminars, only two or three conferences or seminars are enough in the resume. And then part-time or voluntary works. Uh, when it comes to part-time or volunteer works, like if you are doing any NSS or NCC, you can put those things in your things. And also when it comes to social activities, like if you are doing some of the services to the society without any other same or like an NGO or non-governmental organization, you can put those things in the social activities. Yeah. When it comes to part-time and volunteer works, also you can put your hobbies there. Many of you are thinking about the hobbies. I think so. You can put your hobbies in the part-time or voluntary works things. Like nowadays, many of the men are very eager about cooking, very good in cooking than the girls. You can put the those things or part-time volunteer works in your voluntary or part-time works. Yeah, these are the sections of resume. You can screenshot this one for future references. I will freeze it for 30 seconds. Yeah, okay, I'm moving. And then the main part, mistakes. Like we are students, so we do mistakes. So there are some of the things that we have to avoid putting in resumes. Let me tell you about that. Ah, many of you people are having those who are having resumes, they'll put their photos on the resume. Putting your photo has the probability of 9 to 10% of securing a job. Without having your photo, the probability of getting a job is 90%. So I request or I suggest you to not put your photo on the resume and don't use over graphics. If you use over graphics in your resume, like if you are putting any graphics like for the phone number, you are putting like a phone logo or from for any Instagram ID for Instagram logo, WhatsApp ID, WhatsApp number, WhatsApp logo. Don't put those logos. You can put the logos; those are available in Word. You can use it in the Word. Like some of the shortcuts are there for having the symbols of phone, WhatsApp, or Instagram in the Word only. You can use that so that you can secure a good ATS score. Um, and then you should not submit your resume in the format which is not asked by the HR or TR or the MNC members. Like many of the MNCs or corporate people, they will prefer the document or PDF format. So when you are submitting an PDF, submitting an resume for your corporate, you have to save it like an document or an PDF. So then it will be okay for them and you also. And as I have said earlier, you have to use the relevant keywords. If you are going through the Java interview, you have to put the Java keywords that may lead your resume to a good one. A good score will be there for your resume. And uh, these are the some of the minor mistakes that you have to avoid. And many of the people use tables. My sincere suggestion is don't use tables uh, that are not good in nowadays for the resumes. And you have to uh, avoid some of the keywords for soft skills in the resume. Like many of the people are putting like communication skills, skillful, hardworking, detail oriented, highly motivated. Don't use those regular words. Use some words which are well and good, uh, which are some of things like which will be different from the others. So then you will be securing a HR interview. So this is the mistakes to avoid. And let me tell you about the tools and resources. Yeah, yeah. I think all of you have the MS Word. You can go to MS Word. You can search for the templates. There itself, you have the section like a templates. You can have the templates over there. Search for an resume template. There it will show you 8 years classic resume, 8 years fresher classic resume. You can have it. You can put it in your resume. I will show you an basic resume. Just a minute. Oh, wait. This. Uh, Wait a second. Yeah. Is my screen not visible now? Social activities. Yeah. Social activities means that if you are allied with any NGOs or if you are doing any some of the services like providing food for the needy people, providing help for the elders. So those are all the social activities. Like I have done. I'm from native. My native is from Rajampet. It is in Kadapa district. Like not visible. Is my screen not visible now? See once I'm following my cursor. Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, my social activity is that when my near place got floods, I used to go there. I used to provide some food and I have provided some of the essentials which are needed for daily, like providing some bed sheets, some utensils, all those I have provided. I can keep that in the resume that I have some help. I have helped the people who are in need. Like that social activities you can put. And I will show you the resume template. Yeah, it is an normal sample like what you can use. I will I will send you if you need this. Yeah, here this is as you have asked for social activities. I'm showing this. Organized and participated in cleanliness drives in collaboration with the local NGOs. Like I have said, you, if you are collab with your local NGOs, if you can put it there, or with an environmental group to raise awareness on reduce plastic waste. So you can put in these things. Part-time warranties, you can put these. and presentations, conferences, awards, extracurricular activities, and this is all about uh, the ATS template resume. Like this, your ATS resume should be. You should not put any graphic, any color, any type of symbols to this. So use the text purely. So then only you will get an ATS shortlisted resume. You can also check this in the like ATS code checker. You can go through this. Yeah, yeah. My resume strength is 82. So resume strength is good. So if I put the resume without having any good keywords or without having any relevant skills, it will show you below 60. The minimum resume ATS resume score that should have your resume is 70. So try to maintain the resume score as a 70. So then you will be having a chance of getting shortlisted. And then now, uh, some of the resources that you can search for resume templates are Google Docs and online resume builders and the LinkedIn resume makers. Now I will show one thing about the LinkedIn. Yeah, this is my LinkedIn. Uh, I will search about resume templates. I have recently searched for this. Yeah, here you can get this. See, uh, yeah, like this. Some of the resume templates. You'll get some of the resume templates. Can use those things, or you can ping the people directly from here. Yeah, these are all the resumes templates you can use over. Yeah, okay. Try to use the LinkedIn, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Copilot AI so that you will have an experience before going to an MNC. Those are the resources and tools. And if you want to connect me on LinkedIn, and if you want to ask any doubts in the LinkedIn, you can connect me over here. This is the QR. You can scan my QR to get the LinkedIn. You can screenshot it now or search in Google LinkedIn for Rohith Jabbireddy. You will get it. The LinkedIn profile. You can follow and you can send me a connection. Do you want quiz or question and answer session first? Let me know in the chat box. Resume was not visible. Yeah, I will. I will do it again. Yeah, wait. Is it okay now, Balaji? Please respond, guys. Only 5 to 10 minutes are remaining. Yeah, yeah. I will send you if you need. You can ping me in the LinkedIn, or you can ping me in the official Microsoft Siddharth Institutions account. I will send you there. And if you want to connect me with the, you can connect me with the LinkedIn using this one. I'm changing the slide. If you do you want a Q&A session or a quiz session? Quiz session will be very funny. It will be like basic questions. We will provide you the vouchers. The top people will get the vouchers. I'll not tell about top 3 or top 10 or top 15, but the top people will get the vouchers. Like you will get an LinkedIn premium account. So yeah, how many should I go with the question and answer session or should I go with the quiz time?
Sorry, guys, some technical issue. Yeah, should I go with quiz or should I go with question and answer session? Yeah, quiz. Yeah, it will be funny for you. Just a second. Hello. It's a quiz time. You can attempt the quiz. I'll share you the link. I have shared you the link. You can attempt the quiz now. Make it fast, guys. I have got only 3 participants. What about others? So go join quickly. Yeah, your quiz is starting now. You can go. What about the others who are in the meeting who are not attending the quiz? I think few of you don't know that we will provide you the participant certificate from the Microsoft. Those who have attended this meeting, they will get the participant certificate. Few of the fellow students are coming now. My battery is going to be dead. Make it fast, guys. Make it fast. Yeah, well done, Rishi Prasad. Congratulations for the top three, Rishi Prasad, Puneet, and Shravani. And also congratulate all the people who have participated here. Winning is apart from participating is the thing which you should. And I also congratulate Varsha Reddy and Chandrasekhar for being fourth and fifth. And now let we see. We have seen about the quiz time, and it's a time for question and answer session. You can ask me any questions regarding the resume. Yeah, you can ask me if you have any doubts regarding the resume building, or whether it may be regarding the ATS, regarding the sections, regarding the certification skills, whatever it may be. If you don't have project project, you can ask me in English, so that we have to send it to the Microsoft uh, company. Uh, Project means whatever the project it may be. Like if you are from CSE background, some project, like if you're good with Java, some Java project using front end, back end, and having some having some database which is connected to it. And don't do those things that you are doing in the, like, internships, fake internships, that you're doing in your uh, surrounding companies, like doing to-do list, doing calculators, and those type of small petty projects. Make some good projects. Like I am from AI domain and from machine learning domain. You have to mention in resume and also tell me cover letter. Cover letter I will tell about in another session. I will also have that session. But key points we have to mention is that based on the a job description, we have to include the key points. Like contact information will be the same for every resume, but the skills and the keywords will be different from each job description. So you have to maintain that changes throughout the jobs, whatever you are applying. If you are applying for an Java developing session, you should apply the keywords whatever required for that. If you are applying for the testing job, you have to include the testing related keywords in it. So like that, you have to include whatever the sections I have given to you. That's the basic section. Wherever you go, those sections only they will tell you. Yeah, sorry, my laptop was dead. Is my screen visible to you? You can ask me any doubts if you have. Yes, we need to include our strength and weakness. Yeah, we have to include our strength and weakness, but when you are including those section will be under the skill set, that you have to include your strength and weakness. Your weakness should be like a thing that is a positive thing. Like if in my resume I have put like I'm like over manageable. Like if my team is not doing any work, I solely do work. So like that, I will be including the weakness. Like I will take more lead, I will take the more responsibility. Those type of positive weakness you have to put in your resume so that it will not be a weakness for you. That will be a plus point for the organization or MNC. So like that. Any other doubts? Have no experience with freshers. Yeah, we are freshers. Freshers mean that they don't have any experience. Like, uh, if the students want to have any experience, you have to do the internships. Like I said earlier, internships are not the things which you purchase by paying 500,000, 1,500, 2,000. Internships are the things that the organization or the corporate will pay you for working with them. So be choosy with that. When you are going to apply for an internship, have some skills with you so that you will be having a shortlisted resume with the HR, whatever you are applying. So then you can work with the internship companies. I have done some web developing internships with the companies uh, which are on site. So like that, I have an experience with that. So you should also have some skills. So then you can have an experience with you. And next question. Any other questions? Those site, what sites can you tell me? Can you explain me correctly? Internship. See, if you are searching for an internship, LinkedIn is the best thing. Go through the LinkedIn, search for an internships. It will provide you a lot of things. It will show you a lot of internships. You can apply over there. And any other questions? Or else we will wrap this session. Yeah. Please share example resume. Yeah, you can ping me in the LinkedIn. You can connect me in the LinkedIn. I have already shared with you. And if you want my LinkedIn profile name, this is my profile name. I can share you the sample resume. You can search it in LinkedIn, or else I will show you the QR. You can have it over there. This is my LinkedIn. You can search over there. Any other doubts? Or else I will wrap. It's almost 1.5 hours. Any other doubts? Those who are top three? Any doubts? The top three people, can you raise your hands? Yeah, thank you, Nagesh. Welcome. I think the top three people were exited from the meeting. Puneet, yes. Is it no more any doubts? If you don't have any doubts, I will wrap this session. Welcome. I thank you all for your patience for attending this. Try to attend all the sessions, whatever we are conducting through the MLSC. We're trying to provide you the information, whatever it may be regarding the AI, ML, data science, or something about GitHub, whatever it may be. Join those meetings. You can get at least some of the information which you are not getting any outside. So no institution is providing this. We came in front to do this for the people who are surrounding us, so that at least they will get an help. As the situation is very worse in the software side, better have some skill set in your resume, better have some skills in your mind. So thank you for this. Whoever have attended for this meet, thank you so much. And I hope you have got something new, that you have learned something new. Thank you. Thank you for this session. I'm wrapping up. Any other doubts? Yep, I'm wrapping up. Thank you. Have some sweet dinner. Have some good sleep. Thank you, guys.